Ever felt you've lost your direction? Vikmar can help you stay on course. Vikmar provides satellite services specifically designed to the special needs of Faroe ships engaged in the fishing and offshore oil industry, offering a variety of maritime services for navigation, fish tracking, and communications. The company's Viknet satellite service has the highest demand, specially developed to meet the demands of the Faroese market. Viknet satellite service encompasses both broadband internet and telephone services. Vikmar is known for its technical expertise and competence with well-trained and experienced employees. The company works closely with our equipment suppliers, keeping the staff educated through technical courses, which enables us to provide the products and services best suited to the needs of our customers. Vikmar, your source for navigation, communication, and fish tracking solutions.